Believe in yourself. Mia's Whispering Woods Adventure. Hey kids, ever tried something super hard and it went all wrong? Mia wanted to win the big school bike race tomorrow, but during practice, she crashed right in front of everyone. Her friends shook their heads. "You'll never make it," they said. And for a moment, Mia believed them. Mia stares at her knee. A single tear almost falls. Maybe they're right. Maybe I just can't. But then, something strange caught her eye. An ancient map. It promised that whoever reached the crystal of courage deep in the Whispering Woods would finally believe in themselves. Mia's heart beat faster. The woods looked spooky even from here, but she stuffed the map in her backpack, grabbed her flashlight, and stepped toward the trees before she could chicken out. The deeper Mia went, the quieter it got. Too quiet. Then the trees started whispering. "Too small, too slow, you'll never make it." Mia freezing, looking around. "Who's there? Show yourself." Nothing answered, just more whispers. The path narrowed. Thorns tugged at her jacket like tiny hands trying to pull her back. Mia tripped. She caught herself, but her flashlight flickered. Once. Twice. I can do this, I think." She kept walking, but the whispers grew louder. They sounded exactly like the doubts in her own head after that awful crash. What if she never got out? A long, rickety rope bridge sways over a dark, rushing river way down below. Fog rolls in thick. Then, the Wobbly Bridge. One wrong step, and it was a long way down. Mia put one foot on it. Creak. The whole thing swayed. She took another step. Creak. Louder. Halfway across, a board snaps under her foot. Ah! She grabs the rope just in time. Legs kicking over the roaring water. Heartbeat drums pound loud. The whisper voices grew louder, overlapping. "Give up. You're not strong enough. Let go." The river roared. Mia's arms burned. Her fingers slipped a little. She thought about quitting, but then she remembered fixing her bike all by herself when it broke. "I am strong," she whispered. She swung her leg up. 1, 2, and pulled herself to safety. Inside the cave of echoes, it got worse, much worse. The walls lit up with pictures of Mia crashing her bike again and again. The echoes started. "You'll fail. Everyone will laugh. You're not good enough." Mia walked slowly forward, her flashlight beam shake. "Stop! Please stop!" A giant shadow of doubt rose up from the floor, taller than Mia, with glowing red eyes. It blocked the way to the crystal. The cave shook. The shadow reached out with long, dark claws. Mia backed up against the cold wall. This was it, the scariest moment ever. No, wait! I crashed, but I got back on my bike. I fixed it. I helped my friend even when I was scared. I can do hard things. She stepped forward. The shadow paused, then shrank just a little. Mia goes louder, braver, almost shouting. "I believe in myself. I really do." The shadow screams and explodes into bright sparkles. The whole cave lights up warm and golden. The crystal of courage floats gently down into her hands. She did it! The whispers vanished. The woods felt safe again. The next day, Mia raced. She didn't come in first, but she finished with her head high and a big smile. because she finally believed in herself. Hey kids, when it feels too hard or too scary, remember the whispering woods. Those mean whispers, they're just lies. You are braver than you know, stronger than you think. So go try that big thing. Believe in yourself and see what happens. You've got this, brave ones. See you on your next adventure.